I can look at I can look at my screen now, and put the glare in front of the screen. See, it's no shining on my eyes. Look at the screen.
No bueno.
Yeah, what are you talking about, bro? Your welds are better than mine. All I know how to do is just stick two pieces of metal together. let the professionals hang with the beads, not me. Hey, check it out. Got to make this a quick video because I don't have that much room on my phone. I got 19 videos to edit of the rear end job. So this is going to be the shorter one out of the two, and I'm going to put it together first, but I'm going to make it quick. The reason why I'm not going to use that toolbox, I decided to give it to him, is because
hey, let's go ahead.
Look at that carburetor. I'm going to get that carburetor, but this is the toolbox. And it's exactly as wide as my flip down bench toolbox. My toolbox needs a base for it, and that's going to be the base. Except I'm going to try to have it one color. Look at this. Watch this. That's about all I can show you, because all that's clean, except for the little stuff on the workbench there. I got to get off and let y'all go for now. Anyway, see y'all later. Till then. Ooh, look at this. Take a golf bag stroller and turn it into something functional. We'll see you later. Limster out.